Hello traders, Nalinakshi Swami here. Actually, if you follow the price action, if you know the market structure, you are not going to do any mistakes. This is in reply to the person, Dax, I don't know his full name. This is for him. I'm going to explain it to him. Actually, what happened? Market yesterday closed around 17,862, gap down and opened here. Opened at 17,768, and within this candle, 3 minutes candle, it went up to 17,719 and then made a high of 17,798. So when market falls like that, see this is the imbalance. So this will induce buyers. Buyers have stepped in. See what happens usually in the market, buyers will step in, and these buyers, let me drag this, let it go to the visual address, I'll send it to back. So these buyers will get trapped here. Next candle, they got trapped and price started coming down. Again, these buyers, sellers got trapped by the buyers. So when they got trapped by the buyers, you can utilize for the scalping also. From here to here, around 35 points, 36 points, even in the option, you can buy it actually. Actually, it gave the level of almost 53 points. Or otherwise, you can keep quiet and wait for the direction, complete direction of the market. This is nothing but liquidity. After the gap down, they are inducing buyers, because they have to distribute. So buyers and sellers have stepped in. So who won the game? Actually, finally, sellers won the game and they broke this structure. This is liquidity, buyers and sellers. So shares have been exchanged between the buyers and sellers. This is always happens in the market. This is a sideways movement. So you have to see when there is liquidity is happening, you can trade in that range also if you are expert, or otherwise you have to step aside. What happened? After that, sellers dominated and broke the structure. This is BOS. Broke the structure and then price came to another level, 17,733. There actually, what happened? You can see again there was a liquidity. In this portion of liquidity, first this is the seller and buyer stepped in, and then buyer stepped in. So there is no break of the structure. This was the red candle. They were not able to conquer it. And then seller step came down, pushed the price to this level, 17,738, and then buyers stepped in. And buyers were able to go past this level. Again, it is showing BOS and also change in character. CHOCH, change in character. Then when it has shown the change in character, you have to wait. You have to wait for the price to show. Usually they will trap this buyer candle. This is the buyer candle. You can see this candle, it trapped the level. Trap this level, and then price took off from there. So when you see this area confirmed that price is going to go up. So what will be your target? First target will be they have to trap this fellow. When there is a change of character, they will definitely trap this fellow and they will go up. So you can have the target here and you can trail your stop loss. There you can see repeated trapping has happened. Even in single candle itself, you can see this candle has been trapped by this candle and they created liquidity and they went up. Another indicator what you can use is, this is anchored VWAP. So you can, as a guidelines, you take it from this area. If I apply, this anchored VWAP is coming down. So when the price started going up, it halted. Usually it will end below. This is the flat line. This is a guideline actually, but you have to see the price. This was the break of the structure, BOS, and the trap that level. You can see in a single candle, there is a trapping of that level. When trapping has happened, already here, if you are experienced, you will make out that here itself, there is a change in behavior of the price. So it is a caution actually. That I cannot say, explain it to you in this video. It needs constant, you have to watch the 20 by 20 vision, chart vision, and you have to gain experience in that. So this, you have to wait till that you can see this candle. The tiny candle is 17,865. So you have to mark that candle. So minute things, because why minute things you have to see? Because algos will find these levels. Algos means machines will find these levels, see exactly how that level has been tested and trapped, and there was a huge candle. And you can guess it is going to go down because of the instant imbalance. You can see the imbalance here with the two candles. Then you have to wait for trapping. You have to wait for this sellers to get trapped. Actually, these sellers have been trapped by this green candle and price consolidated for nearly 40 minutes. This is a liquidity. They created liquidity and the imbalance came. Imbalance started in the market. There was a sell-off. Again sell-off. But when it came to around 2 o'clock, the selling was, it was a climax. And then it halted. The market has gone. Same thing, liquidity. They have started liquidity. See, they have liquidated over here. Exchange between the buyers, they induced buyers, and we do not know what they are going to, what is their plan. Suppose if they induce it, they may push it down little bit. There is possibility. They may push it down and then they may go high up. There is one more level. If they push it down, there is a level 17,680. Why Why I'm telling this level? Because this is a liquidity level. And there is an order block over here. This is the last candle. I'll extend it to right. Okay. Reset. If I extend it to right, so these are the levels, they may push the price to 17,637 because this is Nifty futures. I am taking Nifty futures because I can see the volume. I can use some indicators like anchored VWAP. In the Nifty index, actually, in the cash market rather than futures, you cannot use some certain indicators like volume profile, fixed volume profile. You can put. See, if I drag the fixed volume profile, it gives, this is the central point of control, POC, and value area high and value area will, suppose price has shown an imbalance and price started moving higher up. I'll zoom it out, you can see. These are the high volume node area where maximum trades have been taken place. So that's how, if you follow simple price action, if you noticed simple price changes, price behavior, you can trade very well. You always, actually, you must know that market is not simple price action. You should know always there are people, trapping will be done near the demand and supply area, near the double tops, double bottoms. So those are the areas liquidity hunt will be taken place. So if you have to mark where the liquidity hunt take place, stop loss hunting take place, then price will be pushed to that level and then they will grab the liquidity and then market will go down. So simple price action will not help. Actually, you should be aware of all these things. If you are aware of all these things, then you will become a successful trader. Okay, friends, thank you very much. I hope this will help you in taking your trading decisions. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.